All right, have a nice day, guys. So this is question 16, third part. So we do question 16 and did question 17, and this is the third part of question 16. Okay, now we need to enter some data to our table. So we made our table using ER diagram and connected them with relationship. Uh, we use main-to-main relationship and one-to-main relationship to connect them. So I explained all how to connect all those tables using relationships in my previous video. I mean 17th video. So now we want to insert some data to our created table. So now you can see we forward engineer that and got those 5 tables, and now we need to insert these table data to our created tables. All right, now let's see what are the details. So enter the data in the table below the class table. All right, we need to give these two data to class table and enter data in the table below the student table. So student table data and subject table data, we have 3 data and exam term data. And now we need to use those tables data to our exam mark record. All right, now let's do this. Know how to insert data using graphical method. So now I'm going to insert data using graphical method. So I'm just doing this in fast forwarding method. So I little bit fast forward this. You can, but you can literally see what I'm inserting. So okay, guys, hand tight. We are inserting data. Oh, guys, I literally forgot to turn on my mic. So now you can see. Now I turn on my mic. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. So okay, now you can see we have filled out our common tables, class table and term table and student table and our subject table. So this is really foreign key table. So we create that table using main-to-main relationship. So now you can see we are adding first term mathematics marks for this table. So we want to add second term mathematics marks and first term science mark, lit mark, and single language and lit, yeah, and second term mark. So I'm not gonna turn on my video again because you need to clearly focus on this. If my video turn on, my video goes on there, so you can't see it. I saw that in my 16 video. So now let's do this. So I add these six things. Fortunately, I saw my camera is mute, so I unmute that and talk to you. And now let's add them. You can see it. I'm not gonna really much do this in fast forwarding. Little bit fast forward that, and you can clearly see it. How can I add? Guys, now I am inserting second term mathematics marks. So I'm inserting data. Watch that. Pay attention clear. Alright guys, done mathematics part. Now we need to add science marks. So we have first term and second term, and also we have single language and literature, first term and second term mark to insert. So yeah, let's insert them. Alright guys, now we have single language and literature part marks inserting things only. So when I insert that, I will uh, yeah, I will wind up my video because we have this thing to do only in this video. So now I'm going to insert it quickly. All right, guys, we did that. So I insert all data to my student exam record table. So now you can see there's a first term and second term, and also um, mathematics marks and science marks. You can see 2 is science mark, and we have single language and literature for 3. So I add all data to my student exam mark record created table. All right, guys. So today we have to do that only. So I will catch you guys in my 19th video. Peace.